Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the newspaper, don't delay. Pick it up from a corpse, chest, or buy it for 5 cents, then open your inventory and inspect the front page. Focus on the headline and any bolded words. They act as keys to the only way puzzle. Once done, note the timestamp and location names because those terms map to in-game map markers and interactable spots. Make sure you've cleared immediate enemies before proceeding to avoid losing the paper. With the paper open, translate clues into concrete actions. Match bolded keywords to nearby POIs on your map, then plan a route. If the game requires a decoder or ink to reveal hidden text, combine those in your inventory right away. The paper will change and show coordinates or a passphrase. Once you arrive at the first POI, use the read or inspect interaction to trigger the next hint. Keep calm. This middle phase is about methodical decoding, not speed. At the final location, apply the passphrase or present the newspaper to the only way gate or terminal. This triggers the end challenge. Complete the mini-challenge, timed puzzles or enemy waves, by following on-screen prompts. Once you succeed, the route unlocks and the objective updates. If nothing triggers, don't panic. Reopen the newspaper, confirm the timestamp and keywords, and reapply the decoder or ink if available. If needed, reload the area or revisit the previous POI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.